Yes, the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board have released 2026 UTME results, and in this video I am going to show you step by step on how you can actually check your UTME results. You should understand that those that can check their results now are the first batch of people that did their exam, because the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board, which is JAMB, has released result of 632,788 candidates who sat for the first day of the 2026 UTME on April 16. So you can check your scores by actually following this pattern. So open the message app on your phone, on your mobile phone, and click on a new message. Alright, so the moment the message opens, you can send message to either 55019 or 66019. So I will choose to send mine to 55. Please make sure you don't mistake the number. Alright, so 55019. Can you see this? 55019 or 66019. So I want to make use of this. Now, in the message I want to send to this number, this is what you are going to do. Please ensure you put your phone on all caps. That is, you want to write everything in capital letter, and this is what you are going to write: UTME. Are you following? UTME results. Note, I did not put any space between them, and I did not put a space after, and I did not put a full stop or a comma. This is exactly how it is going to be. Do you understand what I'm talking about? So please ensure you don't do any other thing apart from this. So what you are going to do, before you send this message, ensure that the number you want to use to send the message is the phone number you used while registering for your JAMB examination. You know, when you want to register for JAMB and you went to the office or to a cafe that you want to register for JAMB 2026, you remember that a phone number and an email was requested from you. So that phone number that you dropped then is what you are going to use now. Do you understand? So you will send it. So what will happen is that JAMB will actually reply you with your results. All right. And please note this: JAMB also warned against score manipulation, revealing that it has arrested 2 candidates and 1 parent for allegedly falsifying results using artificial intelligence and other electronic means. Please be very, very careful about the things you want to do when it comes to the JAMB examination, and I wish you success by the time you check your own. Bye for now.